Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, and today's look is that sun-kissed summer skin and beautiful gorgeous olive smoky eyes. So let's begin without wasting time. The foundation that I've used today is Huda Beauty and L'Oreal Perfect Match. The concealer that I've used today is YSL. For the eyebrows I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills. For the eyes, I used Bobbi Brown Camo Luxe Eye and Cheek Palette. The first shade is this beautiful light shade from the palette, and this goes on the crease line using a blending brush. The next shade is this beautiful olive green shade from the palette that I really love. Goes on the eyelid using a flat brush, starting from the middle, going towards the outer corner, covering half the eyelid, just like that. And then I'm using this highlighter that is available in the palette. Look how gorgeous it is. It's so beautiful. And this goes right on the inner corner using a small flat brush. And then using a clean flat brush, I'm just going to diffuse the meeting point of both the shades. And then using the shade from the palette, I'm just going to place the shade on the crease line using a small blending brush. As you can see, I'm just placing the shade on the crease line and the outer corner, concentrating more on the outer corner and using the shade less on the inner corner. So this gives that really nice smoky eyes. And then with a blending brush, I'm just going to blend the shade into the crease line and the other shades, pulling it out at the same time. Adding more of the green. The intensity of the shade totally depends upon you. And then using the darkest shade from the palette, I'm just going to place the shade on the outer corner. And then blend it into the crease line using a small blending brush. Always in circles, just push the shade into the crease line and pull it out. That's all you need to do. It's such an easy way of achieving that smoky caddish look. I mean, it's an easy technique. Just use it and you'll get it. And then getting back to the highlighter, I'm just going to add a little bit more on the inner corner with a small flat brush. Like I said, the intensity of the shade totally depends upon you. And then blending the crease line with a blending brush a little bit more. Using the lightest shade from the palette, I'm just going to highlight the brow bone. And then going back with the green, I'm going to place the green shade on the lower lash line using a small flat brush and connect it upwards to the outer corner of the eyes. Just like that. Keep adding the shade and connect it. And then using a flat smudging brush, actually this is called a smudging brush. I'm just going to smudge and diffuse the shade as much as I can and make it more like, you know, smoky look. And then using the highlighter from the palette, I'm going to place the highlighter on the inner corner of the lower lash line, just like that. And smudging it some more, diffusing the shade some more. Super easy. Today I use Sigma gel eyeliner, and using an angled brush, I'm just going to draw a wing, starting exactly from where my lashes begin. And I am not going to start from the inner corner. It starts halfway, and I'm just going to draw a wing and just like that. right from the spot, I'm just going to start the line exactly from where the lashes begin, and pull it upwards towards the eyebrows, thickening it some more. And then using the darkest shade from the palette, I'm just going to mattify the line and smudge it a little bit and kind of make it a little bit smoky and not too sharp, blurring the line with the shade, just like that. I am going to go off camera and apply my false eyelashes. The mascara that I've used today is L'Oreal Unlimited mascara, and this is super gorgeous. This is perfect for the upper lashes as well as the lower lashes because the brush is small and really nice. Getting back to my Sigma gel eyeliner, I'm going to fill the waterline right there on the outer corner. I'm not going to fill the whole waterline, it's just going to be on the outer corner, just there. The concealer is YSL. I'm just going to brighten the area under the eyes and then diffuse it with a beauty blender. I would suggest you keep looking up when you try to fill the concealer under the eyes. In this way, your lines, the fine lines that is noticeable under the eyes, the concealer can fill those fine lines when you look upwards. If you don't, the skin is a little bit loose when you look down, so the concealer, you can't really fill the concealer properly. So what you have to do is just look upwards and tighten the skin under the eyes so that the concealer stays put and it doesn't crease. I use NARS translucent powder over the concealer. In this way, the concealer doesn't move and it doesn't crease up. The bronzer that I've used today is Hourglass. Look how gorgeous it is. It's such a beautiful bronzer. What I'm doing right now is just creating a V on the cheeks. This gives that really nice round and sun-kissed cheeks. So yep, this is how I do it. And also on the jawline, on the forehead, and also shaping my nose with the same bronzer, just like that. Don't overdo with this bronzer, as you might just look too brown and too shiny, I could say. Just keep it subtle, and basically you want a sun-kissed skin and not a sun-dipped skin. So this is how I create that look. And the blush that I've used today is Maybelline Master Flush Creator Afterglow, and this is in peach. And I have also used the blush on the nose, just a little bit, so this gives that really nice gorgeous shine on the whole face. The highlighter that I've used is the same that is available in the palette, just using a small brush. I'm going on the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, chin, and the forehead. See how it looks so beautiful. I mean, I so love this highlighter from the palette. It's really nice. It's super gorgeous. The lip shade that I've used today is Bobbi Brown Bitten Peach, and it's a matte lip color, and it's so gorgeous. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it as much as I loved creating this look for you. This is the final look. I shall see you in my next video, and if you haven't subscribed, then you please guys need to subscribe and like the video if you have liked it. Take care. Bye-bye. Mwah.